and welcome to Meal Prep Sunday. This is a series that I will be doing every week on Sundays to show you how quick and easy it can be to meal prep for the week. So it doesn't need to be anything too strenuous and just long. It can just be quick, simple meals that you can do for your week to make sure that you're gonna have a fantastic eating week. So today I'm making couscous with chicken and vegetables. So what you need is obviously you need your veg. So I've got sweet peppers here, I have some carrots, and I have some cherry tomatoes. These aren't going to go in the dish themselves, but it's going to be on the side. And then I have my chicken here, and I have already got some couscous. So obviously you need your seasonings, and you're going to need your seasoning and some black pepper there. So that's everything you're going to need for. You're gonna need your chicken. You can wash your chicken, not wash your chicken, it's totally up to you. I wash my chicken, so I'm gonna give this a little wash off. And cut off any other extra bits of fat or anything that's on there. You wanna just dice your chicken. So once you have diced up your chicken, you obviously want to then season. Have some adobo there. Put that. Sprinkle that on the chicken. Not too much because it does have salt in it, but enough to make sure it's seasoned. Some black pepper. Do like that. Nice, healthy helping of black pepper. There. And then some everyday seasoning. Just a little bit of that, don't want too much. I always use some dark soy sauce there, a couple of splashes. Woo! There was a lot. And just mix that up so it's nice and covered evenly. Then to your pan, you just want to add some olive oil. I just use tiny bit, not too much. While that's heating up, got your chicken marinade in there. It's totally fine. You want to get another bowl. Make sure you've got some hot water that's just freshly boiled. So just do that again a little bit. You want to add your couscous. Your bowl, measuring cup, and I'm going to add one jelly. These are the chicken stock pots, one of these chicken stock pots, to the cup like so. There you go, got it in the cup there. And then I'm just gonna fill that up with hot water and dissolve that jelly. Just letting that dissolve there. While that is dissolving off to the side, you can now add your chicken to the pan. Go. So once you have melted your stock cube in the water, you just want to add it to your couscous. Like so. Make sure it's still really hot. And then what I do is I just add a plate to the top of the couscous and let that sit. The couscous is now going to just absorb all that water with the stock cube, and it'll be really yummy. So once your chicken is nicely frying off to the side, making lots of noise, you want to get your sweet pepper, if you want sweet peppers, or you can use anything, aubergine, courgettes, carrots, anything you enjoy, you can put that in yours. I'm going to put in some sweet peppers. This one's huge. So I'm just gonna wash this off. As well, coming along nicely there. Take a fork and you just want to lightly fluff up your couscous. Give me any tips and tricks on what you do for your week ahead. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic week.